Oh, this one is from functions and basic integration. This one is a bit tedious and can definitely consider it for the second attempt and skip over it during the first go. So the behavior of ft changes between odd numbers. So basically when t is between 1 to 3, then there's one value of n, which then changes when t is in between 3 to 5 and so on. So let's see what ft is when t is in between 1 2 3, that is n is 1, n equals to 1. ft will be, so generalize, let's first generalize. So basically one thing to note that is that f2n minus 1 would be the negative of f2n plus 1. So we'll just replace it by 2n plus 1 minus t by 2 minus t minus 2n plus 1 by 2 times f of 2n minus 1, because f of 2n minus 1 would be minus 1 to the power n plus 2. F of 2n plus 1 would be minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 into 2. So that becomes negative of f2n minus 1. So this is 2n minus t times f of 2n minus 1. This is ft. So first is when n is 1. So this becomes 2 minus t times f of 1. F of 1 is 2. This is when t is in. For n equals to 2, ft becomes 4 minus t minus 4 minus t, minus 2 times 4 minus t. Then for n is 3, and finally that's all we need. Now we have to find gx. So when x is in 1 to 3, this definition would be followed for f. This becomes 1 to x 2 into 2 minus t dt, which is 4 x minus 1 minus x square minus 1 when x is in 1 to 3. So which that becomes x minus 1 into 4 minus x plus 1, which is x minus 1 into 3 minus x. So let's write it there. It says x minus 1 3 minus x. This is x is in here it will be 1 2 3 2 into 2 minus t dt plus 3 to x so this definite integral we already know. Indefinite integral for this is already we know that it is this. So replacing x by 3 we get this thing becomes 0. So we can ignore this factor. This is 0. So all we need to do is evaluate this. This becomes integral 3 to x minus 8 plus 2t dt, which is square minus 9, that's t square, and then we have minus 8x from x to 3, which is plus 3. So this is x plus 3 minus 8 times x minus 3, which is x minus 5 into x minus 3. Again this will become integral 1 to 3 ft dt plus 3 to 5 ft plus 5 to x. ft dt. Again this definite integral is this given by this is given by this, so both of them will be 0, so we can ignore these. So and let's evaluate this. So this is 5 to x to 12 minus 2t, that this becomes 12 times x minus 5 minus x square. This is right, it becomes x square minus 5. This is x minus 5, 12 minus x plus 7. This becomes x minus 5 into 7 minus x. So we can already see the pattern here. This will become now notice, in fact all of these will be closed brackets because this integral ft dt is same as limit x tends to 3 when f is integrable, because a single point does not affect the integration. That's why we can have closed brackets, that's the upper bound of each interval would be included in that interval. And anyways they are evaluating at 0 at the border where the two parts do different functions meet, they agree on the border endpoints of the interval. So the number of solutions for x equals to 0 is exactly 3, 5 and 7. So we have 3 solutions for x equals to 0, gx equals to 0. that gives us alpha is 3. X tends to 1 plus gx is this. So these are gx. So limit x tends to 1 plus x minus 1 upon into 3 minus x upon x minus 1 is equals to limit 3 minus x, which is equals to 2. That gives us beta is 2, then alpha plus beta is 5.